hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell and watch my whole... Hey boys and girls, I want to give a big shout out to my kids at my brand new school, Scotts Branch Elementary. I want to wish you the best, a great school year. This week was fantastic. I met some wonderful kids. I can't wait to get back in the art room and start working with them. But today, I'm going to show you how easy it is for you to create one of these characters from the Mr. Men and Little Miss books that were created by the author Roger Hargreaves back in 1971. There was also a series of videos that came out too. As of late, they've become very popular again in social network and become many trending memes. Well, today, I'm going to show you how easy it would be for you to create two of them, Mr. Nosey and Little Miss Fun. So if you want to find out how to draw these characters, all you have to do is get your pencil, crayon, and markers and just watch. First thing I'm doing is a little downward slope, like a little ski slope going down for part of his nose. Then I'm going to go the opposite way, curving around and down on a slight diagonal. Now I'm going to go down on the opposite side, and I'm going to curve around like an L, and then I'm going to come down just a little bit, curve around for a foot, go up, over, I'm going down again for his next foot. He's on his tippy toe. Now I'm going to do the bottom of his nose straight out. I'm going to curve it around and meet the ski slope. Perfect. Now I'm going to make an oval shape for his eye and a line going down and his fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4 little fingers and the other part of his wrist. I'm going to take my black magic marker, go around and outline him. After I do that, I'm going to get my green marker. I'm going to go around most of the inside first, and then I'm going to continue to color using my one stroke method. We take our time. It looks like I'm coloring real fast, but I'm really taking my time. I speeded this up so that we don't use up a lot of film time, but I'm trying to make sure I color all of the white. I want him to look like a little green man. And he does, Mr. Nosey. Just went around in a circle for Little Miss Fun. I'm going to make another circle for the inside of her bow and both sides of her bow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little strands of hair coming out of her bow. 2 little ovals for her eyes. I'm going to go around and make a nice big curving line for her gigantic smile. Now I'm going to make 2 little lines for her wrist, 4 fingers curving around. I'm going to go down a little bit. 2 more lines for her wrist, 4 fingers, boom. Going down 2 lines or 1 line for her foot and curving around for the other foot too. We're going to make several little dots for her little freckles. And then I'm going to take my black marker and we're doing the same thing we did with Mr. Nosey. We're going to outline all around in black. And after we do that, then I am going to get my orange marker and color her in. If any time I'm going too fast, either stop it, or if you're watching on a computer, you can slow it down. There is a speed control. And we're almost done with Little Miss Fun. Hope you had a good time in here with Mr. Smith. I want to get my little blue color pencil, color in her pretty little bow. And I hope you enjoyed learning how to draw the Mr. Men, Little Miss characters, the trending memes. Please come back again and don't forget, subscribe, like, come back, share my video with a friend. Take care.